Someday, we'll grow beyond this shell. We just need courage.
I want to see what's outside our little egg town.
The world is big, Emmy. I wonder what waits for us.
I just want to dance and play in the sunlight.
Children, stay inside your shells. The outside world is cruel.
We are not meant to hide. Growth is our destiny.
If you stay as you are,
You will never break. No cracks, no pain, no struggle.
but if we never break,
We will never grow. If you break, you'll never be eggs again.
Exactly, Uncle. We weren't born to stay eggs forever.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
And everything you just watch now, we are created using Gemini AI. And on this tutorial, we'll be using our smartphones to generate everything. So to get Gemini AI, kindly head over to your Play Store and type Gemini AI. Yes, choose this particular one and install it. Our first step here is to get our prompt. And I was able to use ChatGPT to generate the prompts that I use to create all the videos that you saw. So one thing with prompt is that when you are creating your prompt, try to be specific. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want and how you want your prompt to look like. Like example, you have to tell ChatGPT to describe the environment of the place, describe your characters, to make it consistent. I went over to ChatGPT and I tell ChatGPT to give me a drama of 3x with their wicked uncle, and automatically ChatGPT give me everything, giving me their names, putting them all in scenes. But I now find out that the one that he actually gave me did not have legs, and I needed a egg with legs that can move. Okay, so I have to rephrase what I need and ChatGPT to adjust it, which it as well did it for us and adjusted it and gave us this. So after that one as well, I still went ahead asking ChatGPT to split them into characters, visual prompts, dialogue, and camera movements, and automatically ChatGPT displayed everything. Now, having our prompts already with us, the next thing is to head over to Gemini AI to generate everything. On our step 2, we are using Gemini AI to generate all the videos. So you can get Gemini AI from your Play Store and install it, or you go to the description box that drop the link for the website of it. You can still use that one and use your desktop to generate it. The good thing about Gemini AI is that they'll allow you to generate free 3 videos per day without paying a dime. And if you can apply with them as a student, and you can use Gemini for free for a whole 1 year. Here is the Gemini AI. This is the interface of Gemini AI. So after you have installed your Gemini into your system or on your phone, it will come up this way when you open it. And why is because it's using your Google account. Because you have to be a Google registered user to be able to use Gemini. But Gemini is a product of Google, just like View3. And the other good part is that this same Gemini is using View3 to generate all their videos. So let's look at the interface of Gemini. Here is environment. If you come over here now, you can see all the things I've been doing. Everything is stored into your cloud storage, okay, for you. Then if you come over, then down this place, here you see plus. That's where you can use to add any reference image that you want to use on Gemini. Or if you don't want a reference, you want them to generate image, but they can generate image for free of charge, unlimited. For the matter of fact, they'll generate it for you. Then if you come over these 3 dots here, these are the products they offer. They generate image for free, they generate video using View2 and View3. So sometimes when we go into the generation, sometimes you notice that it will not have audio. sometimes it will have audio. So it's because of network glitch. So anytime that you did not have come up with audio, know that the thing generated using VO2. Okay, so what you need to do is just to regenerate again. So you still have deep research, you have Canvas. Yes, they work with Canvas as well, and they have guided learning. Just this guided learning will work exactly like ChatGPT. Okay, they can generate a story and do it for you from beginning to the end. That is how powerful this Gemini is. And another thing is that you are using it for free. Okay, let's head over to the generation. So here is the generations I made using Gemini AI, so I'll quickly click on the plus sign over here for me to choose my reference image. I'll pick my reference image. The reason is for it to generate based on what I want. So after that, I quickly change my creation to video generation to avoid generating images. Now remember, we have prompt that ChatGPT already provided for us and which we have copied already from beginning on step 1. So that same prompt now we'll have to drop it inside this section here. Drop it here by pasting it there. Then after you have pasted it, you touch on this arrow here to send it. Once you hit this arrow, it means that you are about to generate. So when you hit it like that, it will now come up this way, showing you your prompts and everything that you added inside the generation session. Okay, now it will come up here and tell us how many minutes that we have to wait for the generation to take place. And over here now you can see that it's telling us that our generation will take only 1 minute to 2 minutes to generate. And I tell you, immediately after that 2 minutes, this video was ready. So let's check if it will take up to that minute to generate this thing. And you see it, after that 1 minute to 2 minutes, our video was ready. But I found out that the thing generated using VO2, there was no audio on this particular one. So whenever you experience something like this, just know that it's a network glitch. It can happen anytime. What you need to do is kindly regenerate it again using the same thing. Don't bother. It will lead you to VO3 and it will carry both the audio, the voice, the background, everything will be out. So when I did that, I did the same thing again on this particular one. You can see the sign of the speaker sign there, means that this one came out with audio. Everything I needed was perfect on this one. Let's hear it out.
Children, stay inside your shells. The outside world is cruel.
We are not meant to hide. Growth is our destiny.
So guys, please, if you find this message very interesting, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, to subscribe with us and give us a thumbs up. Ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you for listening. See you on the next one. Bye for now.